Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best SimpliSafe bundle is probably one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly home security systems available today, offering a robust combination of smart devices designed to protect your home and loved ones from potential threats, all while providing seamless integration and control through a single, intuitive app, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking peace of mind without the complexity often associated with high-tech security solutions. Number 5. SimpliSafe 8-piece wireless home security system. Get ready to protect your home right out of the box. Setup is easy, just plug in the base station, download the app, and place your sensors. No wiring or drilling is needed. Enjoy peace of mind with optional 24/7 professional monitoring. Our agents watch over your home even when you can't, ready to alert emergency responders instantly. Take complete control of your security system with our mobile app. Arm, disarm, and protect your home anytime, anywhere you go. Protect all your entry points, including windows, doors, and cabinets. Receive alerts when someone tries to enter, or get secret alerts for discreet notifications. Cover an entire room with motion sensors that detect movement up to 35 feet away. They even get along with pets under 60 pounds, making them perfect for busy households. Instantly sound the alarm and dispatch police with the panic button. You can also choose a silent panic option to signal for help discreetly. Stay protected even if you lose power or Wi-Fi. The base station has a battery that lasts up to 24 hours and cellular backup for continuous security. What we like? This system offers a truly plug-and-play experience, making it incredibly easy to set up without any wiring or drilling. If you're looking for a hassle-free security solution that provides robust protection and the flexibility of optional 24/7 professional monitoring without being locked into a long-term contract, this is an excellent choice for renters or those who value simplicity. What people say. From unboxing to full operation, the setup process took me less than an hour. The step-by-step instructions are clear, and the system practically guides you through the installation process. The wireless sensors are reliable and responsive, and the base station ensures you're always updated with audio alerts and notifications. The modern, minimalist design of the components allows them to blend seamlessly into your home decor. Number 4. SimpliSafe SimpliCam Indoor Security Camera. Introducing the SimpliCam, a wired indoor security camera designed to keep an eye on your home. It offers a wide field of view and crystal clear HD resolution, allowing you to see everything that's happening inside, right from your phone. Receive instant motion alerts directly to your phone through our app. This ensures you're always aware of any activity, so you can see what's happening and react immediately, no matter where you are. Connect it to your SimpliSafe security system for award-winning, 24/7 whole home protection. It works seamlessly to keep your entire home safe and secure. With video verification, our agents can use evidence to confirm a break-in. This allows for priority dispatch, ensuring faster police response when you need it most. Don't let darkness hide anything. This camera provides clear visibility even at night, so you can always see who's there. Deter unwanted guests with the built-in two-way audio feature. You can speak directly to them, letting them know they've been seen and are on camera. Your privacy is paramount. It features a stainless steel privacy shutter that gives you complete control, opening only when you grant permission. What we like? This indoor camera provides clear 1080p HD video with night vision, ensuring you can see what's happening at home day or night. If you need to keep an eye on pets, children, or just want an added layer of security inside your home, its built-in privacy shutter offers peace of mind when not in use, and the two-way audio lets you communicate directly. What people say. With full monitoring of both systems, we feel very confident in the image quality, night vision, and motion detection of these cameras. Great camera that keeps watch in my shop a couple hundred feet from the house. Hooked right up to the outdoor mesh on the property and works great. It integrates well into the SimpliSafe ecosystem app once connected. Privacy shutter is nice. Number 3. Nonaste Zen Fresh and Pure Clean Activewear Laundry Detergent. Tired of lingering odors in your activewear? Our advanced enzyme formula actively breaks down sweat molecules and odor-causing bacteria for a truly deep clean. It penetrates technical fabrics where regular detergents can't, leaving your gear exceptionally fresh. Keep your favorite activewear looking and feeling its best. This detergent provides fabric-safe care, protecting stretch, color, and breathability wash after wash. Enjoy a deeper clean that preserves the quality of your clothes. Designed for athletes and busy families, this detergent powers through tough grime and sweat. It restores freshness to leggings, sports bras, gym bags, and uniforms without harshness. Get ready for your next adventure with reliably clean gear. Experience powerful results with our highly concentrated formula. Use just 1 to 2 ounces per load for effective cleaning, even for heavily soiled items. It works great in cold or warm water, leaving a fresh scent that isn't overpowering. Our eco-friendly formula combines enzyme power with plant-based surfactants. It gently penetrates fibers to lift away sweat, grime, and odor. Enjoy a powerful clean that's also gentle on your skin and the environment. What we like. This detergent is specifically engineered to tackle tough odors and stains in activewear, using an advanced enzyme formula that cleans deeply without damaging fabrics. If you're an athlete or have a family with active lifestyles and need a high-performance detergent that keeps your gear fresh and protected wash after wash, this is the solution for you. What people say. It takes the smell out and give you freshness, and I love it because it works better than other products. It doesn't just wash your workout clothes, it liberates them. The funk, the sweat, the embedded memories of yesterday's exertion, gone. If you have stinky activewear, I could not recommend this more strongly. It has a nice fresh scent, and did not damage the garment. Number 2. Ring Alarm 14-piece kit, newest model. Introducing the newest Ring Alarm 14-piece kit. It's a wireless smart home security system designed for easy setup and expandable to fit your needs. This kit is a great fit for 2 to 4 bedroom homes. It includes everything you need to get started, like a base station, keypads, contact sensors, motion detectors, and a range extender. Easily arm and disarm your system with the intuitive keypad. The contact sensors will alert you the moment any doors or windows are opened. Need more coverage? You can choose the Ring Alarm kit that best suits your needs and add more sensors and accessories anytime, sold separately. Receive instant mobile notifications when your system is triggered. You can monitor all your Ring devices conveniently through the Ring app. Gain more peace of mind by subscribing to a Ring Protect plan. Arm your system from anywhere, keep it online during Wi-Fi outages, and get 24/7 professional monitoring for emergencies. Enjoy hands-free control. With a Ring Protect subscription, you can arm and disarm your Ring alarm using just your voice with Alexa. What we like. This comprehensive kit is ideal for medium to larger homes, offering a great balance of sensors and expandability to customize your security. If you're looking for a smart home security system that integrates seamlessly with Alexa, provides mobile control, and offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring for enhanced peace of mind, this system is a solid and scalable option. What people say. The system connects wirelessly through a cell tower, bypassing house internet or phone lines, and can notify your cell phone even if the cable is cut. The system can be set on a regular schedule for nighttime arming and disarming, which is very handy and solves the problem of constantly having to remember. Setup is incredibly easy, all the devices come pre-synced and the system is intuitive, with each device able to be given any name you want and simple settings to go through. Number 1. SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless home security system. Get ready to protect your home right out of the box. It's incredibly simple to set up, requiring no wiring or drilling. Just plug in the base station and camera, place your sensors, and you're protected. Enjoy peace of mind with optional 24/7 professional monitoring. Our agents keep watch even when you can't, ready to instantly alert emergency responders for fast police response. Starting at less than $1 a day, you get comprehensive home protection without any long-term contracts or hidden fees. It's affordable security that fits your life. Take complete control of your system with our intuitive app. Arm, disarm, and protect your home anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. Keep an eye on things at home with the indoor security camera. You can see what's happening anytime from your phone, and it features a privacy shutter for your peace of mind. When you enable video verification, our agents can use eyewitness evidence to verify a break-in. This can mean priority dispatch for faster police response when you need it most. Our entry sensors protect your windows, doors, and cabinets, alerting you to any unauthorized entry. You can even receive secret alerts for quiet notifications. What we like. This bundle combines the core security system with an indoor HD camera, offering enhanced protection and faster police response through video verification. If you want a complete home security solution that includes indoor surveillance and the ability to discreetly receive alerts from specific entry points, this package is perfect for comprehensive home monitoring. What people say. The installation was truly easy. Once you plug in the base station and pull the battery tab on the keypad, you are off to a great start. Installing any of the sensors is as easy as removing a paper battery tab, using the keypad to tell the base station that you are installing a new device and naming it from a list once the base station announces that a new device has been detected. The pre-installed double-sided tape makes mounting the sensors easy. This is a great security system which is easy to install. I installed the 4 entry sensors, 2 motion detectors, the camera, the base unit, and the keypad in about an hour. The SimpliSafe app walked us through the installation process. The sensors and keypad come with sticky tape already on the devices, so no holes need to be drilled. Easy to install and operate. My dogs have not set it off yet, but a bugless sure will. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.